What are you eating?
This beef.
Huh?
Beef.
After all, huh?
After all, in HCU too.
Where are you eating?
In HCU.
HCU. What is the occasion? What is the occasion?
This is the part of the research and first as conducted by the ASA.
Okay. What do you say about this JNU Beef and Pork Fest?
Must be conducted.
Well, beef and pork.
Yeah.
Okay. You extend your support.
Yeah.
I don't know what will they do with your support.